data, and now you are told that you have to remove the duplicates from this column and names and every data which is belonged to those names. So first the employee showed them how to see duplicate values, and then he deleted everything which they recommended. Okay, so how did he do it? Let's learn smartly. First of all, he selected the column, and then he went to the conditional formatting, and then highlight rules, sales rules, duplicate values. Here you could see that which are the duplicate values. Okay, and then he again selected the column which he wanted, and then he went to the data tab. In data tab, he the option of remove duplicates. In this, he expand the selection, remove duplicates. In this remove duplicates, you see all columns which are here, you can see in this, but you have to unselect or just select your employee name, because according to employee name we are going to remove other data. Okay, and then click on OK. Your data will be removed which was duplicate. Now everywhere is the only one name, though there is any duplicate in data or names like this.